तोलानी ईटीओ कोर्स एडमिशन गाइड 2026 गाइस, जितनी मैंने लिस्ट बनाई है amongst the recommended, this is the only college which has not got any sponsorship guarantee, but still I recommend, because over the course of last 4 to 5 years I have seen them performing well and all their students majorly get placed. So Tolani is a college, top tier college, not a shipping company. It has got facilitation, it has got it calls companies like Zodiac, Eastern Pacific, Volumes, etc. to their college, and then the students get placed. Convenience is entrance exams and interviews are conducted online from home like other companies as well. Eligibility check is in BE, BTech 4 years, minimum 60% in the final degree. 10 plus 2 में PCM mandatory है, PCM में minimum 50% aggregate, 55% aggregate. Course started, maximum age is 26 years out here. English में minimum 50% is required. 6 months industrial experience preferred. So PCM का यहाँ English minimum 50% in 10th और 12th. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now guys, just one thing, when you say the 6 months industrial experience is preferred, so when you go for the interview they will ask you about this experience, so you should know the answers. Say you say that I worked in a reefer system, then you need to be able to explain the reefer system, HVAC system, about the refrigeration line, about the humidifier, everything that you know. Please guys, whether if you're working in the air conditioning system, so knowledge is important guys, don't just bullshit. टोटल फीस की बात करें 4,15,000 रुपए अप्रोक्सीमेटली कोर्स फीस इज देयर. इट्स अ कंप्लीटली रेजिडेंशियल कोर्स ऑफ 4 months. February and August में there are batches, 40 students per batch. The online test from home is of 90 minutes, then personal interview online mode, then online psychometric test 30 minutes, 70 questions, DG approved medical test, and then you get a placement allocation. In the online test you got for 90 minutes you got technical 30 questions, English 20 questions, logical and analytical 20 questions, 10 plus 10, general knowledge 10 questions, no negative marking. How to prepare, where to prepare, Merchant Navy Start app, and go there, weather check whether you're eligible for Tolani Maritime Institute or not, and then most importantly check, do all the quiz questions that we give, portray out there, that we give on the daily pattern in the Merchant Navy Start app guys. Top recruiters में Zodiac, Eastern Pacific, Volume, Williamson, CMS, CGM आती है. Stipend is between $400 to $750 per month, depends on the company. Waiting period differs from each company. Most important is getting the right company, and Tolani is doing a fab job out there as of now. Vision is 6/12 in both eyes or 6/9 in worst eye, and 6/10 in the 6/9 in the good eye, and 6/19 in the 6/18. So let's talk about the medical standards. Vision की बात करें 6/12 in both eyes or 6/9 in the good eye and 6/18 in the worst eye. Color blindness is not allowed. If you want to check your height, weight, BMI criteria, go download the Merchant Navy Start app. क्विज देना है Merchant Navy Start app. ऑनलाइन टेस्ट क्लियर करना है Merchant Navy Start app. मेडिकल फिटनेस के बारे में जानना है वेदर यू आर एलिजिबल और नॉट, Merchant Navy Start app. लेटेस्ट फॉर्म्स निकल गया Merchant Navy Start app. Which colleges do we recommend Merchant Navy Start app? Which colleges are you eligible for Merchant Navy Start app? What else do you want to know? Last but not the least, if you want to get into a good company, you are eligible for a good company, you need to get there, and for that ETO Aspirant Excellence Package is your lifeline. Hundreds of students in 2025 took this package and got their dream company. Check out the free trial videos and then invest. This package is available on Merchant Navy Decoded platform as well in the description box given below. What are you waiting for? 2026, this is what we have got. 2027, we might start with our offline coaching at SMED Marine Academy, Dehradun. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.